Hello, we are Gaussen Electric manufactured electrical cabinet from China. This video will explain the ring main unit. What is a ring main unit? Let me explain it to you in a simple way. For example, this is a distribution room in a community. This one. This cabinet, it is incoming cabinet. This is the incoming cabinet. And then, this number 2. This is the outgoing cabinet. The outgoing cabinet is connected to the transformer. This transformer is used to supply electricity to the entire community. These are 3 communities. For example, 3 communities are adjacent. And then, for example, there is a telegraph pole. Let me give you an example. For example, there is a telegraph pole here. This red line means a telegraph pole. And then, look, I'll lead a wire out of the pole. A power point. This pole is like a power point. I lead it into the incoming cabinet. After I close the switch, in this community, the transformer will have electricity. Is it right? Of course. I also lead the electricity from the pole to second community. Use green line. Use green line. I also lead it to this community, into this incoming cabinet. After the switch closed, the transformer of the community will have power. It's okay, right? It's the same. Community 3, I also lead it here. I lead it here. I connect the 3 communities. Then community 3 has electricity, right? And so on, right? I can also connect community 4, 5, 6. I can do it, right? I can 引过来 from here. I'll lead it here, from here. Can I do this? Yes, definitely. But there is a problem. The problem is that on this pole, have you noticed that in this way there will be too many cables on the pole? There are too many cables leading down from one pole. High voltage cables. This is a 10 kilovolts. All of these are all cables now. This pole is full of power point. These are all power points. So, your poles are full of cables. There are many communities. Our communities are all next to each other, one by one. So there are too many power points on the poles. This is definitely not appropriate. So what should we do? This is a ring network. Let's see. Ring network. For example, these 3 communities. My first community is like this. This is called the incoming line. This is still the incoming cabinet of our community. This is still connected to the transformer of the community. This is connected to the transformer. And this one is ring out cabinet. This is called a ring main unit. This is a ring main unit. It's called ring out. Then let's take a look. All 3 communities are configured in the same way. One out means one loop. So we can do this. For example, this is still a power pole. Then we lead a cable out of the power point and draw a line from a power point to the inside of our community into the incoming cabinet. After it is closed, the transformer in this community has electricity. The community will have electricity. The second community, this one is drawn from this cabinet and draw a line from it. And its outgoing line is the incoming line of community 2. Is this right? Is it okay? Of course. This is a ring out ring main unit. It's the outgoing line for community 1. For the second community, it's the incoming line. After it is closed, it has electricity, right? And then, in the same way, for the community 3, it comes from this ring main unit, from this ring cabinet, right? So, similarly, for community 4, you also loop it like this. This is called a ring network. This is called ring main unit. This is the meaning. In this way, you only need one power point on the pole. Right. Isn't it better than those poles full of PowerPoint cables all over it? This is definitely more suitable. You only need one PowerPoint, right? For example, this is a cabinet. It is just one more cabinet in the community, right? And then how else can we do it? For example, for these three communities, you can also do it like this. This community is called a one-in one-out ring network cabinet. Right. This is a transformer. And these are three ring main units. We can do this. For example, this is still our power pole, and from the power point, we can draw a line to the inlet cabinet of community 1. Then this is the transformer of community 1, and the transformer is powered on. We loop it from this ring. We need to loop it back and loop out to the small circle. For community 3, we can also connect it from community 1. We can also return it to community 3 if they are close. You can also loop it back like this if there is community 4. You can also return it to the 4th community. It's also okay, right? There is still only one power point. This is also okay, right? It's definitely possible. So this is yes. This is the meaning of ring main unit, which means connecting them together in this way. We only need one power point on our pole. Then you can also make more loops. You can also move it to other places, right? It's all right. This is the meaning of ring main unit. 4 old cables only need one power point, and the others are connected in a ring. This is called a ring network cabinet. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you. We are an electrical cabinet manufacturer from China.